be fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, today let's see if you have a flat battery, what you can do to find why do you have a flat battery. First you need to measure, is the battery being charged? This one it is. To find if the battery is being charged, find another video. This video is not about that. We're gonna find a leak of current if there is a unit in the car that's consuming any power. For that purpose we'll need a multimeter, and we're going to switch it to amps. In this case milliamps is going to be sufficient because we look into milliamps, but let's just put it to amps because you never know. Okay, so that's going to be milliamps. Now that's going to be amps. I have a special on your multimeter, could be different. This one can measure up to 10 amps. So we'll take the black probe on the black side and we'll take the other probe on the other side. Now let's make sure that it's not going to use more than 10 amps. The car is stopped, so it shouldn't really do it. Now we'll take one of these zip ties because I don't have any clamps to clamp the meter to the car, so I'll just use it like so. And what we're gonna do, we'll take the black one. It doesn't really matter which one you take. We already disconnected the black side, just so you know. Okay, so let's take this one like that. Okay, we'll take the black one, we'll make a little loop. Okay, just like so. And we'll just find a way to attach the probe to the battery terminal nice and firm. And to the other side we use this towel just so we can make sure that they don't touch. It's only 12 volts, so they shouldn't really touch. We will clamp this side on the probe on this side of the terminal. Now the car got some consumers that will start straight away. I think any bulbs or anything like that. So we are looking, that was not a good idea, maybe right here. We'll just try to find a space where we can put. Just put it. If not, we'll chop it. Ah, there we go. Nice and firm. Okay, now what we're looking here, it's in amps. So in milliamps, that's 1 amp. It's gonna be 100 milliamps or 50 milliamps. The maximum is 50 milliamps. This is in auto range, so it can move a little bit, so we'll look at what exactly is going on. Okay, now we'll put the clamp and we'll see what's going on. Start it. Okay, it consumed 1 amp and now it's falling down and it's consuming 185 milliamps. As you can see, we had a few bulbs that light up. So what we're gonna do now, we'll take the multimeter out. Okay, I'll just take the multimeter out and we'll just
leave it here.
Is there enough space?
I'm gonna lock the lock like this. Just show it up.
It doesn't really matter now, because even if you don't lock it, now it's 6 milliamps, which is perfect. Now when you put the alarm on and you lock the door,
okay, let's lock the
stuff can change. So lock the doors and we'll leave it like that for 15 minutes because there is computers, they may consume stuff. So we're gonna look for anything above 50. It turned out that we had a 9 milliamps or 6 milliamps of usage because one of the probes fell off the post. But we got again, the car is locked, or at least it thinks it's locked. And that's the consumption we got now. So we'll wait for 15 minutes to see if anything is going to change. So the battery is being on, 4 milliamps, and the car is locked without an alarm. And now we're going to lock it with the alarm. Otherwise we can't see any fault with it. Is it locked now?
Yes, with alarm.
So we'll wait for another 5 minutes and see if we can see any problems with it. That's not a problem at all. So we have an intermittent problem. You can't really catch it because it's only 4 milliamps when it's closed. If we had over 50, we're going to start pulling fuses, relays, and all kinds of stuff. But if you have only up to 30 milliamps, voltage leak, current leak is not your problem, and you look somewhere else. Maybe your battery. Well, that's how to find and connect a multimeter to find a battery leak. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.